NEET PG 2025 exam is over. Now all the students is looking for admission related informations in PG Medical 2025. In this context, in this video, I am going to give you informations about stipend of different deemed universities. Student, you must be knowing that in all over India, around 50 deemed universities are there who run the UG, PG and some of the deemed universities having super specialty courses. In this video, I am going to give you information about the stipend of MD and MS program of different deemed universities. So I want to tell you, in stipend amount, it varies from first year, second year and third year. Okay, subsequent year, it get little increase in most of the deemed university. Yeah, some of the deemed universities it is equal of all the year, but most of the deemed universities it increase little bit from first year to second year and second year to third year. In this video, I am telling you the first year stipend. So you will able to know what is the minimum amount you can get from that particular deemed university. Starting from the North India, Hamdard Institute of Medical Science, Delhi. This is a minority college. Hamdard provide 80,000 stipend, 80,000 per month stipend for all the students of clinical branches. See here, stipend precisely I am telling you for the clinical branches. Some of the deemed university their stipend varies for the non-clinical, but here I want to mention you the stipend amount mainly for the all clinical branches. Hamdard 80,000, Mulana, which is in Haryana, 56,000 per month is the stipend amount. Next is SBK's Baroda, which provide the highest stipend within the deemed university officially. It is 1 lakh per annum is the stipend amount. Next is KMC Manipal and KMC Mangalore. Both KMC Manipal, KMC Mangalore provide stipend of 45,000 very regularly. JSS Mysore, their stipend amount is also 45,000. JNMC Belgaum 45,000. KS Egre Mangalore 45,000. Yenapaya Mangalore also 45,000. So all the Karnataka colleges mostly they provide 45,000 stipend in first year, next year 50,000, third year 55,000. This is the Karnataka colleges stipend amount. And Siddhartha Tumkur, which provide 30,000 stipend. BM Patil Medical College, Bijapur, that is 45,000. Amrita Kochi, which is a very reputed deemed university in Kerala. Amrita Kochi provide 43,000 stipend per month. Krishna Medical College, Karad, which provide the second highest stipend in all over India, that is 88,000 per year for the clinical branches. Bharatiya Vidyapit Pune, 76,000 per month is the stipend amount. JNMC Vardha 67,000. MGM MGM Navi Mumbai, MGM Aurangabad, all the MGM campus 88,000, same like Krishna Karad. DY Patil Pune 77,000, all DY Patil campus 77,000 per month, that is DY Patil Pune, DY Patil Kolhapur, DY Patil Navi Mumbai 77,000. PIMS Loni 65,000 per month. SUM, which is IMS and SUM in Bhubaneswar 60,000 per month. Kalinga provides 70,000 per month. MGM Pondicherry 40,000 per month is the stipend amount. Chettinad 48,000 per month. ACS 47,000 per month. SRM Chennai 51,000 per month. Savita 48,000. Ramchandra 48,000. VMKB Salem, that is 35,000, and Sattasai, that is also 35,000. Balaji Chennai 48,000 is the Balaji Chennai stipend amount. Meenakshi Kanchipuram 25,000 per month. And Vinaka Mission Karaikal 43,000. Adupadai Medical College 40,000. Lakshmi Narayan Medical College 43,000. Santosh Ghaziabad 56,000. Rajrayeswari Bangalore 45,000. Sri Devraj 45,000 per month. Geetam Vizag 44,000. Malareddy both the campus 45,000 per month, and Datta Megha Nagpur, which started PG Medical last year, they provide 67,000 per month. This is the stipend amount for all the deemed university, which is the official stipend amount which is given in their website. So if you want to take admission those colleges, I would suggest you to verify once from the college also for that. stipend amount if you feel the stipend is very important criteria for taking the admission in that particular college. Coming to the top stipend amount within this deemed university, first as I shown you, that is SBK's Baroda is the number one deemed university which officially provide 1 lakh per month stipend amount, followed by three colleges of Maharashtra. One is Krishna Karat, MGM Navi Mumbai and MGM Aurangabad. 88,000 they provide the stipend. And after that, you can see there are many other colleges are also there which provide good amount of stipend, like Hamdard Delhi, which provide 80,000. So this is the stipend amount of the deemed university. We'll keep sharing with you different important information related to the PG medical. If you want to know all this information regularly, you can subscribe this channel. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. I have shared the details about our paid counseling services in my other video. If you want to know about paid counseling services, you can go through that particular video to get an all idea, the step by step how we guide the candidate. If you feel that guidance will be helpful for you, you can contact me in the number given. Thank you so much.